Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you this app that pays you free Bitcoin, and you can get paid $200 or more. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free moolah. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, I have an Instagram account I want you guys to go check out. And all you have to do is search AppGrind, or you can just click on the link in the description below. Give me a follow and give me a DM. Let me know that you follow me, and I will follow you back. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers, which is happening any day now, guys. Any day. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this app and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, family, I'm at this website, and the name of the website is freebitco.in. Now it says here win free Bitcoins every hour. So win up to $200 in free Bitcoin, guys. How about that? Wouldn't you like to have free Bitcoin, $200 of free Bitcoin? So it also says multiply your Bitcoin playing high-low. So it's a game you're going to be playing, guys, to multiply your Bitcoin that you get. So win high-low jackpots up to 1 Bitcoin, free weekly lotto with big prizes. And check this out, guys. I don't know how true this is, but win a Lamborghini with golden tickets. Come on now. Are they really giving away a Lamborghini? But anyway, hey, if one of you guys sign up for this and you win a Lamborghini, please let me know. Just take a picture of it or something. All right. Also, Bitcoin savings account with daily interest. So guys, you can keep your Bitcoin in here and draw interest every day. And guys, you need to do this. Referral. So 50% referral commissions for life. So when you refer somebody, you're going to get 50% commission, guys, when they buy something, or when they play something, or earn some type of money, or earn some type of Bitcoin on here. So, guys, I think you need to jump on this. All right, let's just scroll down here and learn a little bit more. All right, so here are the registered users. It's a lot of users on here, guys. Games played, that's a long number. And Bitcoins won by users. That's a long number. So, people are winning Bitcoin on here, guys. Large amounts. Now, here's some of the features. We talked about it already. $200 of free Bitcoin you can get every hour just playing a simple game. They got the referral contest, so join our referral program and bring your friends over to freebitco.in. Rank in the top 10 by combining wagering volume of your referrals to win the contest and up to $10,900 in Bitcoin every month, guys. How does that sound? Man, you can get a lot of Bitcoin on here, guys. So draw interest with your deposits. We talked about that. Free weekly lotto. Win a Lamborghini. They talk about the game on here. So also win big, high, low jackpot prizes up to 1 Bitcoin every time you play. And as the referral program, again, you're going to get 50% for every commission. And here's the Lambo. Alright guys, and if you want to go ahead and sign up, you can just sign up right here where it says email address or your Bitcoin address if you have a wallet, and put your password right here. This is optional. You're just going to click on create account and you'll be able to log in, guys. Now I do have an account, so I'm gonna go ahead and log in and show you how it looks inside. Okay guys, I'm inside my account, and as you can see here, this is where at the top it says free BTC, which is Bitcoin. Multiply your BTC. They got betting. This premium right here, you have to pay to join that. Here you are. You can try to win that Lambo. You're gonna earn some BTC here. They got the contest, your referral, and right here the lotto rewards and frequently asked questions. You want to learn more about this website or the app, and your profile and your stats. And I'll just scroll down here and show you how this looks right here. So this way you play, multiply BTC, bet on events, or buy lottery tickets to increase your free BTC awards. So this way you go and you just click right here, play without capture, but you just click right here, let you know a human, and click right here where it says roll. I'm not going to go through the whole thing, guys. I don't want to make this video too long, but I just want to show you how it looks inside so you know what you're getting into once you sign up. So guys, that's it. If you want to go ahead and get some free Bitcoin right away, go ahead and go to freebitco.in. Alright family, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this app. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, at the end of all my videos I like to do shout outs. So the way I do shout outs is I randomly pick a comment and I flash it on the screen. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. Please keep checking out my videos. If you're sharing my videos, keep sharing, hitting that like button, and help this channel, guys, get to 7,000 subscribers. Alright, thanks again. Before I go, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.